Kiumia kihituku atongoria makanitha makoretwo magiteta ni riendekithia ria watho riria ritemanitio mbunge-ini ya Senate rikiendekithia kugia na watho wa kunyabara na kuramatwo kwa makanitha kiwatho. Atongoria aya makoretwo makihinyiriria makanitha mari na mitaratara na njira itiganite cia kwiramata na oho kurunga aria marathie mugaru na ndini.
Wothe ungigeria kufinga uhoro wa kuhunjia injiri kana kwira andu Jesu ni mwathani na kana kwira andu matige waganu matuike andu ega, iyo bill tutingemienda na tutikamenda ona thiini wa bururi wa Kenya. Structure citu ni itwitikirite na ni twotithagia kwifanga na kwiregulate andu aria mena mathina thiini gatagati-ini gaitu ni turi njira ya kumeta kumariria.
Oho maugite mari na wiguano na president agietha kura hindi ya githurano kia mwaka wa 2022 na akimerira ndagakinyaniria watho wa makanitha maramatwo kiwatho indi marekwo meramate MENE na mitaratara yao. Omothe President William Ruto niaumukanirie murugamo wake wigie ndeto ino ari kanitha-ini wa AIC Milimani akiuga makanitha nimegwitikirio mathie na mbere na kwiramata rungu rwa mitaratara iria mareire, akiuga gatiba-ini ya bururi kuri na wiyathi wa ndini.
Apart from what the Constitution provides, we are a God-fearing nation and we will equally defend our faith. And I want to give assurance to the church and to the religious institutions in Kenya that we will defend the right and the freedom of worship in Kenya, and it will not be compromised in whatsoever manner.
Augete mendekithia ma watho urio thugunditwo wegi uramati wa makanitha urio twaritwo mbunge-ini ya Senate ni wa kwagarara wiyathi wa ndini, akiuga ndini nicio ibatie gwituira matua megi uria maritwarithagia maundu mao.
And I want to ask those who have ideas to allow religious leaders themselves to develop how they want to regulate themselves and how the church, how religious organizations are going to go forward, because that was the recommendation of the task force I appointed. I want to remind those who are pursuing that kind of exercise that the Constitution of Kenya is very explicit on the freedom of worship, and there will be no compromise whatsoever. There will be no limitation whatsoever.
Gerifotera Kameme TV ni njitagwo Wangui wa Muiruri.